Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing chocolate cherry cake. Super easy to prepare and delicious. Let me tell you the ingredients that we need. We have 1 cup or 250 milliliters of coffee. I will also need 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder or 20 grams. Half a cup of or 120 milliliters of sunflower oil. Flour, I will use all-purpose flour. And I have 1 cup or 174 grams. Sugar, 1 cup of sugar or 190 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Like any other dessert, we need a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness of the cake. So I have here the salt. I told you about oil. Well, I need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and cherries, of course, they are in season, so I will use 1 cup of sweet pitted cherries or 170 grams, and 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. And this is pretty much it. Let's start preparing this cake. I will add salt over flour, cocoa powder and baking powder, and I will mix everything together. This way, mixing baking powder with flour, we ensure that the cake will rise even and will not have parts that are unbaked. So first I will mix these dry ingredients. In another bowl I will have 1 egg, and I will mix the egg with sugar. I'll add the sugar gradually, and I will try to mix it really good. The sugar will start to dissolve, the egg will change the color, and our mixture will look like a cream almost. So add gradually that sugar and continue to mix. As you see, the egg starts to look like a creamy pale yellow now. I will add oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use canola, and also add oil gradually. This looks now like a mayonnaise. I have coffee here and vanilla extract. I will add vanilla extract and mix that in. Guys, before starting this, make sure to preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Add now coffee gradually and not all at once. Mix some of it, add dry ingredients, add again some of the coffee, and again dry ingredients. So alternating these two things until you finish both of them. Also, you can mix in here these chocolate chips, but I didn't. I added them on top of the cake. Over cherries, I added 2 teaspoons of flour, just because I didn't want the cherries to settle down at the base of the cake. Mixing them with a bit of flour, they will float in all over the cake, in all the batter. I have this silicone loaf mold that I greased with butter and powder with flour. So I'm pouring the batter in this mold, and add cherries and chocolate chips. As you see, I put the mold in another loaf tin, a metal one, because this way the silicone mold will not lose shape and it's easier to maneuver in and out of the oven. So put chocolate chips on top and bake these in the oven until you will insert a toothpick in the middle and it will come out clean. It will take about 1 hour. Let the cake cool down completely, and after that you can turn it upside down on a plate. It will come out nicely out of the mold, and you can decorate it with some powdered sugar. Just dust some powdered sugar on top of the cake and it's ready to be served. It's a really moist cake, delicious, and the coffee will bring out the chocolate taste. You can slice it and eat it as it is, with a cup of coffee or tea, or with your favorite ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, find reasons to smile, and I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.